Chapter 18. Musical Instruments. Maracas. Maracas are percussion instruments commonly used in Latin American music. They consist of hollow shells filled with small beads or seeds that create a rattling sound when shaken. Traditionally made from goods, modern versions use plastic or wood. Maracas are often played in pairs and provide rhythm in various musical genres. They are widely used in salsa, samba, and folk music performances. Gong. A gong is a large, circular percussion instrument made of metal that produces a deep, resonant sound when struck. It is commonly used in orchestras, traditional Asian music, and meditation practices. The instrument comes in various sizes, with larger gongs creating deeper tones. In many cultures, gongs are also used in ceremonies and spiritual rituals. The sound of a gong can be dramatic and is often associated with grand entrances or climactic moments. Tambourine. The tambourine is a small percussion instrument with a wooden or plastic frame and metal jingles. It is played by shaking, tapping, or striking the frame, producing rhythmic sounds. The tambourine is used in various music genres, including folk, pop, and classical music. Some versions have a drumhead, allowing additional percussive effects. It is widely used in dance performances and religious ceremonies due to its lively sound. Flute. The flute is a woodwind instrument that produces sound when air is blown across its mouthpiece. It has a series of holes that the player covers with fingers or keys to create different notes. Made from metal, wood, or bamboo, flutes have been used in music for centuries. They are prominent in classical, folk, and contemporary music worldwide. The flute's melodic and soothing tone makes it a favorite in orchestras and solo performances. Oboe. The oboe is a woodwind instrument known for its distinctive, rich, and penetrating sound. It uses a double reed, which vibrates when air is blown through it, creating its unique tone. The oboe is commonly featured in orchestras, chamber music, and solo performances. It requires precise control of breath and embouchure, making it one of the more challenging wind instruments. Due to its clear tone, the oboe is often used to tune the orchestra before performances. Piano. The piano is a versatile instrument with 88 keys that produce sound by striking strings with hammers. It is used in classical, jazz, and contemporary music, making it one of the most popular instruments. The piano allows for both melody and harmony, making it ideal for solo and ensemble performances. It has a dynamic range, allowing players to produce both soft and powerful sounds. Many great composers, like Beethoven and Mozart, wrote music specifically for the piano. Violin. The violin is a bowed string instrument known for its expressive and high-pitched sound. It has 4 strings, and sound is produced by drawing a bow across them or plucking them. The violin is widely used in classical, folk, and even pop music. It requires precision and skill, making it one of the most challenging string instruments to master. Many great musicians, such as Paganini and Itzhak Perlman, have made the violin famous. Cello. The cello is a string instrument that produces deep and warm tones, often compared to the human voice. It is played with a bow, like the violin, but has a much larger body. The cello is a key instrument in orchestras and is also used in solo and chamber music. Its versatility allows it to be featured in classical, contemporary, and even rock music. Many famous compositions have been written specifically for the cello, showcasing its rich and emotional sound. Cornet. The cornet is a brass instrument similar to the trumpet but with a more mellow and rounded tone. It has 3 valves and is commonly used in brass bands, military bands, and jazz ensembles. The cornet's compact shape makes it easier to handle, especially for beginners. It has been an essential instrument in early jazz and traditional brass music. Many famous cornet players have contributed to its popularity in classical and jazz compositions. Fun fact: there are 3 basic categories of musical instruments: percussion, wind and stringed instruments.